Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipboard app. You click on settings in this page. You click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Flipboard. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.